Alrighty, so I got an aerosol. I figured I'd get a couple of these because why not? They're like a freaking $1.25, cheap as heck. And I'll be shooting it with my Barretta M9A4. So let's see how this goes. There's going to be a slow motion video at the end, so let's see it. Well, that's not exactly what I expected. I was hoping the whole thing would blow up. But I guess that was still kind of cool watching it spray out from both sides. And I guess she ain't really dead yet. Gotta kill her a couple more times. Okay, now I think she's dead.